Hi YouTube, this is Ian. Just another video. Today I had the Hanssho DIY harness installed to activate the door speaker by the side mirror, which is right here. Also the pillar speaker, which is right here, as well as the rear deck speakers, which are all the way back here, all the way against the window. It was done by the same place who did my amp and my 10-inch subwoofer, Car Audio Shop in Austin, Texas, on North Lamar and Peyton Gin. These guys are amazing with their work, clear, clean, and good price. It was $60 to have it installed, and now I finally have what you can say will be premium sound. You can clearly hear the sound coming out of that speaker now. I raised the volume, see if you can hear it. And also from the pillar speaker right here. Now we got sound. So now I can say my project is completed for the audio upgrade on this car. Hope you like it. I'll put the link to the installer, and if you're interested in buying a Tesla, I'll put my link. If you want to use it, you get 1,000 miles, and so do I. All right, have a great weekend.